This is the farmer's market. You can get our food here. You guys want to see the inside of our trailer? Smoky Bites, hickory wood, smoked barbecue.
If you show up late, this is what you'll see.
Yeah, it's sold out.
Everything's scratched out, sold out.
You gotta wake up early like us. Right now it's dark in here. Let's turn on the lights. This is my little spot. I sell ice cream, but the freezer doesn't really freeze ice cream. It just all melts in there.
So we're not selling ice cream. Excuse me, I need to get in here.
Yes. My job is just to chill and relax. That's a fun job, but I want to do something more than be on my tablet. I want to play with friends, but I gotta wait to do that. I don't like waiting. Sometimes I get frustrated. Well, we're not open right now. We're closed. So we're gonna be selling here tomorrow. We're gonna be selling every Tuesday and Saturday. So if you like our food, then come here every Tuesday and Saturdays, okay?
Barbecue. Here's some of our specials.
Yeah.
Brisket burn-ends and smoked chicken. We'll have to cut in a picture of that brisket because Johnny's really got that down. It's so good. It's top notch. Top notch barbecue.
Here's our hickory wood.
Yeah. It's funny, when we had this little snack business, when we were selling these little snacks right here.
Yeah, we
would put the smoked wood on our table so it would smell smoky at our table.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you know something? These are dog treats. Well, your dog should go crazy for them if they see one. And they'll be like that until you put it down on the ground. Okay? So,
let's go. It's getting hot.
Look at these pretty plants. There's a little bit of pink on it. Pink's my favorite color because it's kind of unique color. Like, it's color of hearts. But remember, I like any color. Look at me. I'm just little. I'm a 6-year-old. So, but there's really nothing in there because market's not going on yet. It's tomorrow and Saturday. We're gonna stop riding for a little bit. We're gonna grab my jacket because I'm getting cold.
Trumpet.
Yeah.
Trumpet.
Wow. My dad's bike is way faster than our bike.
Let's go follow the action.
Ha! What? When I see the police, I always do that. Maybe we should do a race.
We can't race here in the neighborhood. We need to go to a different street.
Okay.
Just in case any little kids or doggies pop out.
Yeah.
Was that fast?
Yeah. Like and subscribe if you want to be my